Welcome to the tutorial on how to upload your availability list to the Sebenza Farms website. Firstly, we will open up the Word document that contains the December 2019 availability list. Next, we will need to save this file as a PDF. In order to do this, we will use our mouse and select File in the top left-hand corner. Next, we will select Save As and select Browse. This will open up another window allowing you to choose where to save the file. As you can see, it has opened up the original location, and we will save the file as the original name but change the type to a PDF file. We will then select Save. Please note that once the computer has saved the file as a PDF, it will open it up, allowing you to view your saved file. As you can see, the PDF has now opened up, and it is the correct one. As we can see, it is December 2019. Next, we will close the PDF as well as the Word document as we are finished with these. Next, we will head over to the Sebenza Farms website. Once the website is loaded, we will go to the URL, and at the end we will enter /wp-admin and hit enter. This will now take us to the login page of your website. Please note that for this tutorial I will be using my login credentials. Once the tutorial is completed, we will send you an email with all your login details. Once we have logged into the website, we will be taken to the dashboard. Our next step is to upload the PDF to the website. We will use our mouse and we will find the tab titled Media. We will then click on it, and the website will open up the media page showing us all the media stored on the website. Next, we will need to find the buttons showing Add New. Upon selecting that, another window opens where we are able to select Files. Upon selecting that, we will need to navigate to where we saved the PDF. Luckily for me, it is right here. I will then click on the PDF, not the Word document, and I shall say Open. As you can see, the new upload is being added, and once the blue bar has reached the end, it has been completed. Next, we will need to go to the pages. For the next step, we are going to create a new tab, as we are going to have to come back to this. So we will use the mouse and we will find the section titled Pages. We will then hover over all pages, right click, and we will open tab in a new window. Once the page is loaded, you will see this displays all the current pages available on the website. Next, we will look for the page titled Availability List. Please note that when moving the cursor, there are hover options available. As you can see, we are going to select Edit the Availability List. This will now load the back end of the Availability List page. Next, we will use our mouse to find the text box containing the URL for the availability list. Using the mouse, you can see a new section has appeared upon hovering over. This is a text block. We will now select Edit the Text Block. This will open up another window where we are able to edit the text block. As you can see, we have the title with a bunch of code underneath. Next, we will have to select Text. This now shows us everything in that block in text format. Next, we will need to replace the old availability list URL with a new URL. The availability list URL will always begin with HTTPS and will always end in .pdf. We will simply highlight this entire section. We will then navigate back to our previous tab where we have uploaded the PDF. We will select the PDF, allowing it to open up a new page, and here we are able to select the entire URL. Once we have the entire URL highlighted, we will right-click and select Copy. We will then go back to the tab that we were currently on, where we have highlighted the old URL. We will right-click and we will say Paste. Next, we will select Save Changes, and it will save the changes made to that text block. Next, we will use the cursor, and at the top right of the page we have the option to preview the changes. We will select that, and again it will open a new tab, allowing us to see all the changes made on the website. Once the page is loaded, we will scroll down a little to ensure that it is the correct list. As you can see, I'm highlighting the December 2019, showing this is the correct list. Next, we can close that tab, taking us back to the original tab. Now we will hit Update. This will now save your changes and make it live on the website. Once the changes have been saved, we are going to view the page. To do this, we will use a mouse, and at the top of the page we will find and select View Page. This will now take us to the front end of that page. Once the page is loaded fully, we are able to inspect and ensure that it is the correct availability list uploaded. Thank you for your time.